5 natural skin whitening secrets you can do at home, easy and effective. Have you ever dreamed of having radiant, glowing skin without spending a fortune on expensive treatments or harmful chemicals? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 incredible secrets to naturally whiten and brighten your skin, all from the comfort of your home. These methods are not only effective, but also super simple. Anyone can do them. Whether you're battling uneven skin tone, dullness, or just looking for a natural glow, these tips are designed to fit right into your routine. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and get ready to transform your skincare game with natural remedies that truly work. Let's dive into it. Importance of natural skin whitening. Before diving into the remedies, let's talk about why natural skin whitening is the best choice for your skin. Unlike harsh chemical treatments that can cause irritation, redness, and long-term damage, natural remedies work gently with your skin, enhancing its natural glow without harmful side effects. These methods prioritize your skin's health, nourishing it with vitamins and minerals that restore its balance and radiance. Plus, natural whitening isn't just about lightening your skin, it's about reducing dark spots, evening out your complexion, and bringing out your natural beauty. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and perfect for anyone looking for sustainable beauty solutions. By choosing natural methods, you're not just improving your skin, you're making a healthier, safer choice for your body and the environment. Secret 1. Lemon and Honey Mask. Let's start with one of the most popular and effective natural remedies, the lemon and honey mask. This powerful duo combines the brightening properties of lemon with the soothing, hydrating effects of honey. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that reduces dark spots and evens out skin tone, while honey locks in moisture and calms the skin, making it soft and supple. Here's how you can make it. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Apply this mixture to clean skin and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water for a refreshed and glowing look. Quick tip, use this mask in the evening and always wear sunscreen during the day, as lemon can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Secret 2. Turmeric and Yogurt Mask. Did you know that the golden spice in your kitchen could hold the key to glowing, brighter skin? Turmeric has been a skincare secret for centuries, celebrated for its ability to reduce pigmentation, even out skin tone, and give your skin a natural radiance. Pair it with yogurt, which is packed with lactic acid for gentle exfoliation, and you've got a powerhouse skin brightening mask. Here's how to use it. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt to form a smooth paste. Apply it evenly to your face and neck, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Pro tip, wear an old t-shirt to avoid turmeric stains. Secret 3. Rice Water Toner. Did you know that something as simple as rice water can be your secret weapon for bright, flawless skin? This centuries-old beauty ritual, cherished in many Asian cultures, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders for your skin. Rice water helps to brighten your complexion, reduce dark spots, and tighten your skin for a youthful glow. Creating your own rice water toner is super easy. Simply rinse raw rice, then soak it in water for 30 minutes. Strain the water and store it in the fridge for up to a week. Use it as a toner twice daily with a cotton pad. Over time, you'll notice smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin, all from this simple natural remedy. Secret 4. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is like a magic potion for your skin. It's packed with natural hydration, soothing properties, and the ability to lighten dark spots, making it a must-have in your skincare routine. Whether your skin feels dry, irritated, or just needs a natural glow boost, Aloe Vera Gel has you covered. Here's how to use it. If you have access to fresh aloe vera, extract the gel from the leaf. If not, grab a pure store-bought version. Simply apply a thin layer to your face before bedtime and let it work its magic overnight. Rinse off in the morning and you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin. Pro tip, mix a drop of vitamin E oil with aloe vera gel for extra hydration and faster results. Secret 5. Papaya and Honey Mask. Looking for a sweet treat for your skin? The The papaya and honey mask is a game changer for achieving that flawless, radiant complexion. Papaya isn't just a delicious fruit, it's packed with powerful enzymes like papain, which gently exfoliate dead skin cells, fade dark spots, and boost skin renewal. Combined with honey, nature's ultimate moisturizer, this mask deeply hydrates your skin while enhancing its glow. Here's how to use it. Take a few pieces of ripe papaya and mash them into a smooth paste. Mix in 1 tablespoon of honey and apply the mask evenly to your face. Let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel refreshed, soft, and visibly brighter. Pro tip: use this mask twice a week for the best results. And don't forget to snap that post-mask selfie. And there you have it, 5 easy and effective natural skin whitening secrets you can start using today. From the brightening power of lemon and honey to the soothing properties of aloe vera, these remedies are simple, affordable, and perfect for achieving that radiant glow naturally. Remember, consistency is key. Results won't happen overnight, but with patience and regular care, you'll notice your skin becoming healthier and brighter over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from these natural remedies. Also, let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first. Subscribe to the channel for more beauty and wellness tips. See you in the next video.